So I still have a little spot on this monitor there, that purplish spot that still needs to be degaussed. It's actually darker in person than it appears, but I can attempt to do it with the soldering gun, and I still haven't been able to get it quite gone. If you look right there, I hold the soldering gun right there, and I pretty much get that spot taken away, but it comes back. Circular motion and come back out. Yeah, see, that spot still stays there. I can bring the gun off to the side, and no luck keeping that spot away. The other method is using a drill, because that has the coils in it and the AC. And still I can't keep that spot away, so what I'm just going to do is this little magnet right here. This sucker's strong. Oh, just hold my hand right here. Totally clear. Let's try to move that magnet around, work it a little bit. Work that magnet magic, and still it comes back. So I hold the magnet right up to the side, perfectly fixed. So I'm actually just going to tape this magnet right back here on the inside of the cabinet. I'm going to tape it right to a spot there that fixes the monitor, and I'm going to be done with it.